Okay, let's get into it. We're doing a deep dive today on the AIDA Imaging UHD6G-X20L camera.
Mm-hmm.
And our mission here is to really cut through the spec sheet. We want to figure out why this specific POV camera matters for, say, a broadcast setup or a high-end live stream.
Right.
And more than that, there are some really critical logistical details about buying it that you need to know.
Yeah, and let's establish this right away. This isn't just some fancy webcam. It's a professional tool.
Oh, workhorse.
Totally. It's built around a pretty sizable 11.7-inch sensor. We're talking 3840 by 2160 pixels. The real headline grabber, though, is that it can deliver clean 4K at 60 frames per second.
The 4K 60 is huge, but here's where I think it really shows its professional colors.
Yeah.
It outputs in a deep 10-bit 4.2.2 YCBCR color space.
Yes.
For those of you who aren't, swimming in broadcast acronyms, what does 10-bit 4.2.2 actually get you?
It's everything for high-quality production. I think of it like this. Your phone probably shoots an 8-bit. That's about 16 million colors. 10-bit gives you over 1 billion. So when you get into post-production and you're doing heavy color grading or especially green screen work...
Chroma keying.
Exactly. You need that extra information. The cleaner that color space, the better your key is going to be. Less color banding, it's a game changer.
That really helps put the price into context. And speaking of the picture, let's talk optics. For a camera this compact, a 20x optical zoom lens is... well, it's a massive feature.
It really is. It gives you this huge range from a super wide 61-degree view all the way down to a tight 3.4 degrees.
And it has a bright f1.5 aperture.
Which is great for low light. And look, when you're zoomed in that far, you need help. That's why the motion-compensated noise reduction is so important. It keeps the image from getting grainy.
Right. So for plugging it into a system, this is clearly built for a control room. It has simultaneous 6G-SDI and HDMI 1.4 outputs. Why does that 6G-SDI port matter so much in a pro setting?
Oh, SDI is the backbone. It lets you run really long, really reliable cables in a way HDMI just can't. The 6G part just means it's robust enough to handle that big 4K signal.
Got it.
And it's not just video. The camera lets you plug in a 3.5mm audio line, and it embeds that audio right into the SDI stream. So one cable does it all.
That's clean. And control is just as important, right? It supports the industry standard serial VSCA protocol.
Which means you can control everything. Zoom, focus, all of it from a remote controller. It's perfect for permanent installations. They even include a breakout cable for RS-485 communication.
So it's built to last.
It is. Now, let's connect all these features to the bottom line. The current price is listed at $1,480, and you can get a 10% discount.
Okay, but here it is. This is the critical piece of information, the aha moment for anyone comparison shopping.
Yeah, this is important. Since October 9th, 2025, AIDA put a mandatory 15% tariff on all their products.
And here's the key part. That $4,480 price you see already has that 15% tariff baked into it.
That is huge for you. It means you have total cost certainty. You might see a competitor with a lower sticker price, but then you have to wonder if they're going to slap you with a big tariff fee at checkout.
So no surprises here.
None. The price is the price. Plus, you get the other stuff, like a 2-year warranty, free shipping in the USA, and lifetime tech support.
So to sum it up, the UHD6G-X20L is this rare mix of 4K 60, that big 20x zoom, and Pro 6G-SDI connectivity. But its real unique value is that transparent price. It's already absorbed that 15% tariff.
Right. And that leaves you with a really interesting question to think about. Given this camera's rugged build and pro outputs are meant for long-term infrastructure, how does having a mandatory pre-calculated tariff change your cost-benefit analysis? I mean, are you essentially paying a little more upfront for the absolute certainty of knowing your total capital expenditure? And in a big project, is that peace of mind worth it?